Yeah, I do. They put a horn on. I know. I don't know what, maybe. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah, he crashed up there though, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, I looked at it and I was like, holy crap. He didn't want it to break or something, did he?
Oh, this cable. This one's holding the cable up.
Cable for what?
This little red power cable that he's running back there to the tires. I mean, the lights.
Alright, well you can put that up against the frame, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and zip tie it.
Yeah, just tie it in.
In that case, you think you can go get me a zip tie? Hey, and something to cut a zip tie? Oh no. Fuck.
There you got a couple black ones, got a big long white one.
Uh-oh. Now we're in business.
Don't cut your fingers. Uh-oh, you're through it. Hey, give me that so you don't lose it or lay on it.
What?
Your razor blade. This guy was an idiot. You only got one in the back too?
No, I think that's it.
Okay.
I got the other one.
I'm tired of pissing water out of my ass. Man, my stomach's been hurting too, boy. Like somebody gut punched me.
Got that rain, guys. Got this bull crap pulled. Got that rain, guys. Got this bull crap pulled. Got that one pulled. Got a lot more work to do, but
What?
we are cooking with peanut oil, boys and girls. She's got a lot of work, but like I said, good project truck. Let me get this shut. There's something else you gotta do that I'm gonna fix. Look, get that all the way down, and then you can close it.